The challenge we face for the infrastructure in this region is that we take supply from Cromwell, from a substation there from Transpower, and we take power into the Wanaka region by 2 lines. So what we're looking to do is ensure that beyond 2023, which is the date that we forecast we might be a bit short on capacity, is that we've got a solution that continues to maintain that reliable supply. We could meet that need by building extra infrastructure, or we can look at the kind of solution we have here with solarZero around doing something different and smarter. We're quite confident that the solution that solarZero is providing will delay the need for us to upgrade our infrastructure or bring new lines into the region. The uptake of battery storage technology becomes more widespread. It does enable us to make better use of our hydro resources and over time enabling us to decommission our coal and gas-fired plants. I think the arrangement that we've put in place here with solarZero creates a model that can be replicated elsewhere across New Zealand. And the importance of doing this will grow over time as we set out to achieve our decarbonisation goals.